Okay, it's Pointe St Montreal here at Pointe St Charles Yard, and we got a BNSF GP38-2 and a GP9RM. And on the end of this train is the Grand Trunk Caboose, an extended vision international caboose. And in the background there is the RAM, the Réseau Express Métropolitain. And let's see if that Grand Trunk Caboose will be coming soon. There with the city of Montreal in the background. Looks great. Yep, that caboose is coming. Here it is. Yeah, I'll be cutting to the chase right today because that caboose is awesome. And it's not very often that I see it in action. What a great catch. There's the EXO car. Oh yeah, they're stopping right there. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.